Hi, I'm Giselle. I work at Get Living. We are in the business of producing brilliant big city neighbourhoods, and with that comes a lot of responsibility as to how we communicate with our residents, what sort of events we put on for them, what sort of wayfinding we help them out with. A classic example is East Village, which is our first neighbourhood. We have 2818 homes here. That's a lot, that's about 6,000 residents living in them. So you can imagine the amount of communication that has to go out to these residents. So from time to time, we send out a lot of messaging on our digital screen system, which is Airwave, to let residents know about any upcoming events, any kind of emergency messaging, anything about like works in the neighbourhood, anything about sort of new things coming to the neighbourhood as well. So we've recently actually redone a park area, which is, it's quite nice to let residents be updated on the progress as well. We found this Airwave system really handy. One, because all the updates you do are really quick. You kind of put it up and you see it like real time. All the screens are well connected. You get to see everything on one portal, so you're not like worrying about, oh, I've sent this live, is it really showing? And we've had a good response from residents as well, saying that they find the new screens quite useful. The fact that the content's quite refreshing, and I guess from our side in marketing, it's quite exciting to produce this content and try and play around with different formats, whether it's video, whether it's sort of working on like GIFs or anything static as well, but it gives you a lot of room for creativity, which is what we really like.
My name is Lukas Mikita. I'm working for Get Living since 1 year, and I'm infrastructure project manager. My main task was to find reliable, robust and easy to use solution for the digital signage, and we chose Airwave as the best option for us.
Yeah, I think one of the great benefits of having, I guess, the Airwave system is it's really like, it keeps you sort of stress-free. You'd be more worried about, I guess, getting the creative done in the best way possible, because the medium that you have for it is amazing. Like, there's no glitches, there's no delays, there's nothing else you're worrying about on a technical side, so you can just get on with, right, like, how do we produce this creative and like, how's it gonna look, versus, oh, is it even gonna play? Like, that's never been a problem. So I think that is really, really good.
After the installation was done and everything was signed, we are using the system since almost 3 months, and we are extremely happy with the end result. We don't have any issues with the system. The screens are running 24/7, and actually we are just very happy to choose Airwave and Otrum solution.